years of experience.
If we want to be successful in the long run, we need to have a strong character. If we want to be successful only in the short run, then maybe forget about the character. If you look at this man whose picture I have given on the slide, what do you know about Mr. Ratan Tata? Tell me. क्या जानते हैं आप इनके बारे में?
He's a person with high values and ethics.
Very true. What's your name?
Arpit.
Arpit is absolutely right. Here is a person with very strong character and good values. I was just reading in Economic Times. Imagine a paper like Economic Times जिसमें हम बहुत heavy matter पढ़ने की अपेक्षा रखते हैं. There they showed a picture of a dog. और क्या थी news? Yeah. So what does it show us about him? What does it tell us about him? आप ही ने बताया.
Animal lover and respecting other creatures on the earth.
Yeah, not just other human beings, but respecting other creatures, other species as well. कि भाई कोई बात नहीं, कुत्ता है, परेशान है, सो रहा है, जहाँ है इसको शांति से रहने दो. Because we are talking about peaceful coexistence. Very good, very good. Learning is a continuous process, which is not just done in these 4-5 days. You have to do it continuously, regularly. Okay, so you can save your year or you can save your life by that one number of cheating. Okay, but what if you need 10 numbers? You cheat for 10. Okay, no, nothing wrong with it. Wait, he's right. Today you will cheat and you will clear your exam. Tomorrow, when you enter the corporate world and you don't meet the deadline, and you tell ChatGPT prepare the project for me for submission to boss, and boss catches it that you have not used your brain because you never worked hard for it, you just cheated in the exam, and he fires you, then what will happen? You will miss the deadline. The organization will suffer because the tender has not been submitted in time, and you've lost your job. Is that cheating worth it in the long run? There are so many values जिनको कि बचपन से पंचतंत्र की कहानियों में आपके पेरेंट्स, आपके टीचर्स आपको बताते आए हैं. Honesty is the best policy. You should be trustworthy. अभी जब आप बड़े हुए हो, आपने स्कूल में सीखा होगा not to gossip, not to do backbiting. Otherwise we lose out on good relationships, good people. Integrity should be high. कोई देख रहा है चाहे नहीं देख रहा है, हमें वही करना है जो सही है. ये सारे वैल्यूज के बारे में आप पढ़ते आए हो, सीखते आए. Which are the values that you are going to abide by, you are going to live by? That will define whether your character is going to be strong or not.
Pesticides के बाहरी ट्रेसेस मिले हैं. सर FDA ने हमें लाइसेंस देने से इनकार कर दिया. What? Our problem is actually ये जो पेस्टिसाइड्स हैं ये पानी की सोर्स के अंदर ही है.
दिखने में सारे के सारे प्रोफेशनल लग रहे थे या नहीं? The boss, the senior manager, Vipasha, then the other person who's that actor, other one KK Menon, ये सारे के सारे अच्छे प्रोफेशनल दिख रहे थे. Can somebody point out what is good in her dressing? Are they formal enough? So first we'll talk about Akshita. Yes? First the pluses. Hair. What about the hair? Tell me in a sentence.
Well made.
It's well made. She's well groomed. Very good. So well groomed means when you look neat and attractive, right? So Akshita, you are looking very neat and attractive with that one ringlet giving you a soft look. Her clothes are well ironed and very monochromatic. So black and white kind of safe combination. Color combination she's wearing, so that's very good. Another plus point is the type of jewelry that she's wearing is minimalist, small studs and just a kada. So which is a good thing that she's not overdone it, and even the makeup that she's wearing is in nude shades. In the corporate world, you need to be very particular about the various types of etiquette which are mentioned here. So Indra Nooyi has been the ex-CEO. CMD of PepsiCo, a person who had been earning $34 million kind of package. क्योंकि हम सक्सेस पैकेज से आंकते हैं आजकल. अगर आप चाहते हो कि आपको 25,000, 30,000, 50,000, 1 लाख से ऊपर का पैकेज मिले, तो फिर उनकी तरह अपने आप को तैयार भी करो. That is important. और जब हम तैयारी की बात करते हैं, 2 लेवल्स पे तैयारी होती है. You have to polish your hardware and you have to polish your software. सॉफ्टवेयर में आता है आपका कैरेक्टर और हार्डवेयर में आता है आपकी लुक्स और ग्रूमिंग जो बाहर दिखता है. If you look at Mrs. Indra Nooyi on any of the platforms, या तो उन्होंने साड़ी पहनी है, सिर ऊपर करके चल रही है, बॉडी लैंग्वेज इतनी कॉन्फिडेंट है, या तो उन्होंने वेस्टर्न वेयर पहना है, but she is always very well groomed. So now I'm going to give you 5 tips for power dressing. Firstly, we are going to talk about well-tailored clothes. Second, the type of colors that you need to keep in mind. 2024 में कौन से कलर्स इन वोग हैं, इन फैशन हैं, accessories किस तरीके की यूज करनी चाहिए और नहीं करनी चाहिए. One, when we buy the best of brands, even I like purchasing brands. So because I wear sarees, I always go in for Textorium, Zari or Satyapol because they are very different, right? If you are a male, you may go in for shirts and trousers from Louis Philippe or from Arrow or whatever brand you are buying. But the best thing that I would advise is go in for cloth stitched by your tailor. Because उसका जनरली जो फिट आता है वो रेडीमेड्स का कम आता है पर कम आता है. देखो HR की टर्मिनोलॉजी में हम पहले कहते थे स्किल्ड मैन पावर होनी चाहिए. आज हम कहते हैं कॉम्पिटेंट एम्प्लॉइज या टीम मेंबर्स होने चाहिए. तो कॉम्पिटेंसी इज अ वर्ड विच इज अ कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ 3 things. ASK. A is your attitude, S is the skill and K is your knowledge. तो इन तीनों चीजों को जब हम क्लब कर देते हैं तो वो कहलाती है कॉम्पिटेंसीज. Absolutely right. बिना collaboration के ये activity हो ही नहीं सकती थी, right? So one of the competencies they showed was collaboration. Very right. जो भी आपकी टीम बयान का स्टेज पे आ जाओ. Go, quickly, carefully. What it takes to stand in my shoes? What will it take? What will it take? You want the quality which is required, or you want the qualification? Okay. Right. If you talk about quality, I have a rule in life which I follow very strongly. That I have to do everything extraordinarily well. Because if I want to be extraordinary, I have to work extra. And there are no shortcuts to success.